Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also follow me around on all social media. Like links are below in the description box. So in this video I'm going to create this makeup look. So this is literally for all season, any occasion you can wear this makeup. Like literally this goes well with any outfit. So I was wearing this makeup lately, that's why I'm going to just share today with you guys how to create this very simple yet very glamorous all season any occasion makeup look. So like if you want to change the lip shade, you can literally change the lip shade. You can go as dark as you want or as light as you want, doesn't matter. It's pinks, nudes, reds or browns, or like any dark shade. So this eye makeup will rock any lip shade. So yeah, literally I'm in love with this lipstick and also this eye makeup. And to be honest, I haven't applied any eyeshadows today. I haven't used any eyeshadows, but literally this eye makeup is very simple, so anyone can create it at home. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching, and yeah, let's begin now. Okay, so let's begin. First I'm going to do my brows, and for this I'm going to use this Revolution's brow pomade. This one is in shade dark brown, and it also comes with a brush, so I'm going to use this applicator brush. Okay, now I have done my eyebrows very naturally, so this is how I do it for every day. So I'm going to now just apply a concealer just to clean this part, and this is by L'Oreal Perfect Match, and I've got no idea which shade is this concealer. I think it's beige. So I'm going to just spray this product to my face, and it's by Makeup Revolution. It's their Rose Face makeup setting spray. So I'm going to just apply this on the face, like just to my face. So this will just hydrate a bit, and like straight after I'm going to apply this Becca Skin Love primer. So this is a very good primer. It like makes my makeup last really long, and I just apply on the areas where my makeup crease a lot. So like this part, and also this part. Whatever is left, I'm going to just spread. So it's a so it's a pore blur primer, so it blurs out the pores. As you can see, my skin looks a bit better than before. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to just apply a foundation. So I'm going to use my favorite of all time Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. This is a Pro Filter soft matte long wear foundation. Before you apply the foundation, you should shake the bottle really well. So this foundation is literally so good. I think I have talked about it in so many of my videos. I'm going to just pump not going to apply too much, like just this much of the product. And also I'm going to take my foundation brush, right? This one is 116 by BH Cosmetic, and the concealer brush I have used is this by BH Cosmetic, also is in number 6. Okay, I have just applied one coat of the foundation. In the foundation, if you apply with a brush, it blends really well and it doesn't soak any of the product. So one coat is enough. And now I'm going to apply the same Perfect Match Concealer by L'Oreal, and I'm going to just apply like this. So today I'm going to use this in stylish blender. And I think I already did a review on this beauty blender. You can just like use as a wet blender or dry. I'm going to just spray a little bit of this setting spray. With this Ofra Cosmetics banana powder, I'm going to just apply this powder to the areas where I have applied the concealer, because I'm not going to apply any to these parts because this foundation doesn't need to be set. And also I'm going to use this, my favorite BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. Okay, now I'm going to apply the bronzer to the parts I want to apply. So this is the Emco Beauty bronzer, and this is a matte bronzer which is literally amazing, and I just love this bronzer for all season, any occasion. Like this bronzer is a must. It's literally so good. So I'm going to just take a bronzer brush, and this is by Morphe, and I'm going to just bronze my face. And like I am not applying the bronzer from here, I'm going to apply the bronzer from here. Like you should definitely apply the bronzer from this part, not down. If you want a lifted look, but it's all up to you how you want it. And I'm going to just take a small brush. So this is this brush, I don't know, just a simple blending brush. I'm going to take the same bronzer. I'm going to just bronze my nose, and also I'm going to just apply the same bronzer on the crease. And I'm just going to connect everything together like this. Okay, I'm going to apply a blush, and I'm going to use this Ofra Cosmetics blush in the shade Rose, and I'm going to apply with this Morphe's brush. And now I'm going to just apply a highlighter. So I'm going to apply this highlighter, and this is by Becca, as you can see, and this one is in the shade Moonstone. So I'm going to apply with this BH Cosmetics 101 blending brush. going to take this 106 brush by BH Cosmetic, and this is a very small pointed brush. So I'm going to apply this highlighter to the inner part of my eyes. Then I'm going to just take this Makeup Revolution's Supreme Hold setting spray to set all this makeup. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyes, because my eyes is literally very simple and like it can be done in minutes, like in few minutes. So first I'm going to take this liner, and this is by Sephora, and this one is in shade black. Like this is eye pencil to go, and this is a crayon eye pencil. This is in shade black, like literally it's so good. It's by Sephora, you can get from their website. Okay, I'm going to just line the upper part and also my waterline. It looks really dark, and like literally don't worry about it, like it's a bit messy because I'm going to blend it up now. And I'm going to apply this to my waterline too. And now I'm going to just blend the top part, and I'm going to just use this BH Cosmetics 105 blending brush. I'm going to just smudge this part. Now I'm going to just smudge a little bit the outer part, and just a little bit in front. Okay, now I'm going to apply a Revlon liner to this part, just close to the lower lashes. So this is by Revlon High Dimension Eyeliner Crayon Poreless. This one is in number 06 Gold Flush. This is a gold liner, and like literally it's amazing. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara, and then I'm going to apply some falsies. So the mascara I'm going to use is of course this by Revlon, and it's their volumizing mascara, and like literally it's one of my favorite, like it's my current favorite. I just feel like keeping my eyes like this. I don't want to like use any lashes, but like literally like it looks really pretty like this, I think. But like normally I wear like this without any lashes, but I think today I'm going to apply these lashes by Morphe. This is Hollywood Hills. It's like this. I hope I'm showing it properly. This lashes is literally so good, and like I don't know, like I want to keep it like this, then I thought, okay, why not let's apply these lashes. So I'm going to just use this duo eyelash adhesive. Okay, these lashes makes a huge difference. And like literally just look at it, it's so pretty. So it's just kind of a nudish pink lip liner, and this is by Wood lip liner. Don't know, like I got from eBay. I love it, it's very pigmented. So now I'm going to apply a lipstick. This is by Ofra Cosmetics in the shade Laguna Beach. I'm going to apply a gloss on top. Like literally this lipstick takes a while to dry, like few minutes to dry. So I'm going to just leave it like this and wait for it to dry. And like literally I am in love with this look. Like literally this is my go-to look. Like doesn't matter wherever I'm going, this look can be worn in any occasion, any season. Like doesn't matter, it's spring, summer, autumn, winter, you can wear this look. Like this is a very simple all season, any occasion makeup look. So like all season, like literally all season, any occasion. Like you can also wear this makeup in weddings too. Like this will look good in any Indian outfits, any outfits, and like any dress you are wearing, this makeup will look good. And you can like apply a brown lipstick, nude lipstick, pink lipstick, red lipstick, and also any kind of dark lipstick. I am literally wearing this look for a while now, and like anywhere I'm going, like I'm just doing this look. So I thought, okay, why not I just share this with you all. So you can keep your lips as matte as you want, but like I'm going to apply a little bit of gloss. So I'm going to apply this floss gloss on top now. Like never apply the gloss when the lipstick is wet. If you are using a matte lipstick, let the matte lipstick dry, and when it's fully dry, then apply the gloss, and like it will last longer. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also follow me around on all social media, and take care, stay safe. And if you want to see more of these kinds of tutorial, then please do subscribe to my channel. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.